Oh, look at that golfer. That's Wade.
Looks like it's right in front of the house.
Yeah. Not a very good swing.
Look at that follow through. Papago in the clubhouse.
Not very good balance either.
There's the clubhouse up there.
I like the socks.
You must have taken all these, Emil.
Oh yeah, I took him out. But he really, at that age, he was better than all his other kids, and I don't like the swing at all. Here.
That left leg, I still have that left leg.
He's got a reverse pivot. See, I didn't know anything about golf then. It's too bad I didn't, because
Oh my, there's Jay.
There's Jay.
I think I could have helped him a lot more.
6 there.
But he did well with it.
Yep.
Not bad.
Oh, Bret.
Bret.
Digging up the grass.
Contact, Bret.
Oh, my goodness, is that the lake?
The garage.
Gotta be.
There's Dave Shue.
Gotta be at the
There's
lake.
Sandy. There's
Oh, for God's
that
sake.
Nancy. Schumacher.
Oh, we
That's the
were,
old log
we were
cabin.
building that.
I think 66. Is that
Yeah,
what it is?
we
63?
built the lean-to to just
So
put
it
the
wasn't-
store the Model T in.
There's Emil. That might have been
That's the old
Bev.
log cabin that
We're
we
taking it
moved
apart,
from the
yeah.
front of the lot
In the old-
where our cabin is now, but back there, and we used it for storage until we built the current garage.
Looks like you're
looks
taking
like-
it apart.
And
We
Warwick.
offered
Yeah.
the Minnesota
Okay.
Historical Society the cabin
Yep.
Unknown worker.
because
Dick
it really
Larson,
was
Dad, and
a
Jimmy
relic.
Warwick.
It was chinked moss, and they said, "Yeah, we'd love to have it."
Form the con-
And
Concrete
once you take it all apart,
garage.
be sure to
They
mark it, and
started
we'll
with
tell you where to
garage.
deliver it to. They told me.
Dad would
was
have
a
it.
finished
So
product.
the next
Dad
thing
would
you saw
have
was a
the
chainsaw, and we cut it up for
Six.
firewood.
Yeah.
That looks like.
And there's the new garage.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, Jay.
I'm holding the pumpkin.
Oh, we're home again.
Yes.
No, that's
Is
Sandy.
that Sandy? I can't tell.
I can't tell. I think
Yeah.
that's probably me.
Yeah.
Yep.
Is
That's
Brett's
Bret.
probably the devil? Is that me with Midnight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, now we're
It's like
swimming.
Robin Hood,
No, it's
Zorro.
They got the cat.
Like there's Gladys and
Now we're back to Lake
Borg,
Minnewawa.
Yep.
So
We
now
jump all over the
Dad and
place.
Sandy.
Yep.
There's
Raft.
your dad.
This is
You're
probably
actually Emil
67.
with Sandy.
Who's skiing? Is that?
I don't know.
Oh, there's that.
It's so fast. It's hard.
Which boat is that?
Is that me?
It could be.
Might be
That was a
Sandy.
Crosby there pulling.
I could see that boat.
I would have been 11 trying to drop a ski.
It's either the
Trying
Crosby
to
or the
get
one
up on
I
one. Is that
built.
Wade?
I think that might be me.
Looks like Wade getting up on one.
Yep, that's me.
Good job, Wade.
You haven't fallen yet.
Kids took to water skiing like
That must be Wade. That must be Wade.
on one ski.
The other kids weren't that good.
Maybe you're 12 or 13. Looks like somebody else.
Yeah.
I like the life belts.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it wouldn't support you very much.
Yeah, when
this
you
little
fall,
life
it
belt.
goes up like to your armpits.
Yeah, there's the.
Somebody's doing a very good job.
I think it's Wade.
Somebody's
There's
taking
our
off
raft.
the
Took
seaplane.
out that one.
Yeah.
There's a
We used to
5.5
play
foot
sink the raft.
Johnson.
We'd all get on one side
Couple Borgs.
and almost tip it over. One time we actually did tip it over.
Driving
I
that
don't know.
for me?
Is this the Prada del Sol?
Prada del Sol?
Yeah, I was a pom-pom
Maybe
girl.
was this a
Oh.
his heyday?
So that might
No.
have been
Looks-
Yeah.
at one point, like
Probably
maybe when I was
also.
about 8th grade, I think. Scottsdale.
Hey, they never had anything that elegant.
They used to let us out that afternoon and go to the rodeo.
That was the one day of the school year where I could wear
I took all these
pants
pictures.
instead of a skirt. So I loved that day because I could wear cowboy
Still
night
stadium.
jeans.
Nice.
So this is probably me coming with
Not
an
at all.
inside.
Well, I think you're right.
I sure don't remember taking all these pictures.
Much of it there.
Yeah.
Oh no, here I am. There's Linda
Yeah, that
Liphart.
movie
There's
camera was kind of
Sandy.
a
Yeah,
new
there you
thing.
go.
There I am.
Oh, cool.
Pam Ramsey? Is that Pam?
I
Yeah.
think so.
Sandy?
Oh,
Looks
wow.
like Sandy.
Yeah.
This is really embarrassing.
I don't remember.
This was my one attempt at a
Cheerleader, you?
pom-pom girl. Now we're back at Lake Minnewawa for
I think I was just
probably
a play.
heyday.
1968, maybe
She was
then?
in-
Maybe
School.
68. We were pioneer dressed, I think, for the taking.
Well, we
John
jump
P.
all over the
Kennedy
place.
parade.
Now we're talking.
Yeah,
Oh,
now
there
we're-
was a Jimmy
we're
Warwick.
back- we're
Yeah.
back.
There's
And they're-
the
they're
Dune
set
buggy,
Dune
the
buggy.
Warwick's Dune buggy.
This has got to be heyday, huh?
Yep.
Isn't that something, Emil? Got all these old pictures.
Look at the old cars on this
Yeah, they were-
side here.
we went through twice, I think, those years.
Yeah, that's right,
That's
yeah.
the John P. again.
Yeah.
I think that's Ann Warwick with me on the back. We had pioneer.
We're
dress.
getting a lot of use out of that Model T.
Yeah, for sure.
And I think it's running better now than ever.
Oh, yeah, the horse poo picker upper.
And the parade, isn't that a kick?
There's Bev, Janna,
Chet,
Chet,
Dauph,
Dauph,
Sandy,
Sandy, Marion Sazenski,
Sazenski.
one of the Sazenski little kids. That's Dave,
Denny.
Dave, Denny.
This is Big Sandy Lake.
Yeah, this is Big Sandy Lake.
Is that Wade?
Yeah.
Is that you,
I don't know
Jay?
who that
No,
is.
that's not me. That next one's me.
There's Jimmy
cut
Warwick,
out.
Dave
Jimmy
Warwick,
Warwick.
Bev, Denny.
That's
the
me.
cross
There's Jay.
There's Jay swinging.
Whee!
So Big Sandy?
Yeah, I think so.
Big Sandy.
We used to go take the boats off for Big Sandy for a picnic for a day. Take the boats out and then put them back in.
Yeah, we went up the river. That was
Oh,
that.
back in
We
the
found that rope swing.
And skiing. Is that you,
Now we're
Ray?
back in Minnewawa. You jump all over the place.
You sure do.
It might be you, huh?
I can't
You
tell.
don't name anything either.
And also,
I think so.
is it me?
Yeah, I think so.
Who's that?
Probably Wade and
Used to
me.
get along enough on skis anyway.
If it's on two skis, it's me.
Oh,
The other
I
thing-
think it's Sandy maybe.
Maybe it's Sandy.